Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy XRP on Kucoin. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So to start, search for how to buy XRP on Kucoin, and then it will then direct you here. You can see the step-by-step process. So now the first thing that you want to do is to create your free account on Kucoin. And then secure your account. After that, you need to verify your account. And then add a payment method. After that, buy XRP. That's it. It's just simple and easy. So try it out. If you have question or suggestion regarding this video, just leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.